today to talk about an important issue that affects us all, gender equality in our society. Everyone deserves to be treated with respect, dignity, and fairness regardless of their gender. Discrimination among men, women, and LGBTQIA+ and community has always been an issue in this society.
In this society. I am a woman with peace, equality, justice, and dignity. A man with unique personality. Lesbian, bisexual, gay, transgender.
Let's break those stereotypes.
Women can only fit as secretaries. They can be CEOs. Boys don't wear makeup. They must be masculine. Boys don't cry.
Which invalidated their emotion and self-esteem.
Nowadays, what men can do, women can also do the same.
We shouldn't impose restrictions on what a particular gender may do and cannot do.
Every man and woman.
Be treated as human beings. In the eyes of God, we are all equal.
We are all valid. I am a woman with peace, equality, dignity, and justice. And you are a man with unique personality. And I will respect you. So, together, let's end sexism and toxic masculinity and promote gender equality. So, be proud of who you are. Just be yourself. This is my advocacy. Be an advocate.